the monitor into some graphics card, right?
Now, what is on the table right now is a plastic mat with a stretchy wrist strap attached to it. And then there's a cable running from that, and it's plugged into the electrical outlet underneath your table.
But then once the screws start to hold
You
static,
just dropped it.
electricity.
You unscrewed it until it fell to the
Nah,
floor.
they don't really hold anything.
So anything with black,
Huh?
anything with black. So now that's the blue bottom. Oh, the table is kind of high. I'm gonna pull the mat back. There.
Oh, this
What
guy.
do you do?
Kind of tricky, but
It is, especially when you can't really see.
every single toy comes with that. Open the screw in order to put the batteries in it. Okay.
They still make you put them in.
So now they're very short, so the screw
Yeah,
fell
I think toy
right
companies have a deal
there.
with
So put it over to the side.
You want to
There you go.
make sure
Now there's one almost
You keep
opposite.
us in business
At the highest point there, the tower.
to
Over to your left.
Do whatever works, I just can't touch it.
Well, not on the left side, but left of the right corner. There, that one.
It does take time. It takes a long time.
the case.
Remember,
No, I'm talking about this, it says
Oh,
Power,
no,
that means
that
6
one.
power.
The other, no. There you go.
That means
to take off.
It's like
I was at the store once, it was like a screw.
hard drive and all.
Give me that screw back.
Okay,
Okay, now don't touch it.
Remembering what we should.
I'm drawing a name.
There you go. Now
It's running. So this, a heat sink is designed to draw heat away
On
from
my old electronics.
the CPU, and then
Yeah.
see how the fins kind of on the side there? And then it can disperse the heat a little bit more.
I took apart my.
Okay, keep your wrist on all sides and keep pushing.
grounded in there. I'll hold the wires. Okay. Here. So go up to the top where you felt it. Okay. Now bring your hand towards you. Yeah.
That one goes.